welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. So we are about, oh yeah, let's get over here and talk in front of the window. We're going to like a bunch of different places today. We're gonna go to the desert and do some photo shoots. Then we're gonna go to the strip and do some photo shoots. Then we're gonna go here and everywhere and do some photo shoots. That's our day today. I'm super excited. It's gonna be freaking awesome. And the best part is we get to take you guys along with us. The best thing ever happened. We went to this taco place and Santa walked in. Santa just walked in here. And we had a really great conversation about hot cocoa and his son that lives in LA. Now we're here at 7 Monuments. And there's so many people here. So this is gonna be a hard place for a photo shoot because it's freaking packed. I hear a lot of rumbling around. I feel like Caitlin's having some trouble. We have the whole suitcase here full of outfit choices. Or you can just look like that. Ooh, girl, work it. Work it. Cool. I just realized like I matched this one. Sorta. Cool. Part of my thumbnail. So I would say with the amount of people that were sitting there, we actually got some pretty good shots and I'm excited. Are you? Yes. Where to next? Somewhere you can run around naked. What? Dirty mind. Alright, second scene. A lost sheep in the desert. Help me, I'm poor. Whoa! Final shoot. We got a naked hitchhiker.
Come a little bit closer. Hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away.
We're walking into the Bellagio right now and I'm so excited, Caitlin, because this is my favorite hotel here and I'm excited for you to see it. Yay! My darling. Thank you.
Carvel on the beat.
Show is started and we're missing it. Yeah. Cross, run, hurry. This is a bad angle here. I just want a picture outside of the Paris Arch and it's turning dark, so I'm like trying to hurry up and get over there before the darkness falls. Cheers. My water. To Vegas. Oh my God. I am in heaven right now. Dark chocolate pistachio and strawberry cheesecake. Okay, which one are we trying? Oh, we also got milk. Because you can't do this without milk.
Stop, you're making me look weird.
She's just taking it all in. So is it what you expected here?
It's bigger than I thought.
We haven't gotten drunk yet, so that's next.
That one drink did not make me feel anything.
This is what we're doing tonight.
In Vegas.
Watching Backstreet Boy documentary in bed. They're so cute.
I think I've seen this before.
I think we own this. So Caitlin is in the bedroom, passed out. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it. We're having so much fun in Vegas, but we have a lot more planned tomorrow. So make sure to subscribe down low so you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. And give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas. I have to start saying that now. Merry Christmas, skaters. Oh, the